Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. US-based label Epic Records has signed Jamaican dancehall rapper Hood Celebrity. To date, Hood Celebrity has released 2 mixtapes, Can't Believe It's Just a Girl and Trap vs. Reggae in 2017. Trap vs. Reggae peaked at number 9 on the Billboard Reggae Albums chart. Hood Celebrity's song Find My Way Out is on the soundtrack to the movie Superfly, which was released by Epic. Superfly opened in US theaters on June 13, making $8 million, the 6th highest figure at the box office. Artists currently signed to Epic Records include Mariah Carey, Keisha Cole, Future, Jennifer Hudson, Jennifer Lopez, Busta Rhymes, and DJ Khaled. Hood Celebrity is known for the crossover hit Walking Trophy and will be celebrating right here in Jamaica this weekend. Congrats! British rapper and singer Stefflon Don recently visited Jamaica to shoot the visuals for her new single titled Senseless. The rapper also teamed up with media personality and artist Yannick Curvy Diva for the new visuals. Stefflon is getting ready to embark on her upcoming tour of the United States and Europe starting on July 10 in San Francisco. She will be performing in the Bronx and Los Angeles. Stefflon Don is the only female and UK artist to be featured on XXL's freshman class list for 2018. On the international scene, Chris Brown kicked off his Heartbreak on a Full Moon tour yesterday in Seattle. The tour will climax on August 4 in Las Vegas. The Heartbreak on a Full Moon tour is in support of Breezy's massive 46-track album, which was released back in December. The R&B singer later added an additional 12 tracks to the project. The tour lineup features artists Jacquees, Her, and Six Lack. Rich the Kid was also on the lineup, however, it's unclear if he will be able to join Chris on the tour since he was hospitalized over the weekend following a home invasion involving his girlfriend, Tory Briggs. Animated film Incredibles 2 has smashed box office records.
Thank you, young man.
Combustion imminent? What does that mean? Ah!
It means fire, Robin.
Incredibles 2 had the biggest opening for an animated movie, collecting $180 million to blow past the $135 million record set by Finding Dory back in 2016. More good news may be ahead for the film as it expands worldwide. Incredibles 2 opened in just 26% of the international market, bringing the global total to an estimated $259.4 million. English pop girl group Spice Girls' reunion tour has been cancelled. The group was set to reunite for a huge world tour that would have netted them £30 million each. Reports are that the reunion plans are in disarray just 1 month after Mel B revealed that the group had signed a comeback contract. The Spice Girls last toured after reuniting in 2007, with their greatest hits show wrapping in 2008. The final time they performed as a 5-piece unit was in 2012 at the London Olympics closing ceremony. And that's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.